For the 12:12 Great Western Railway service to Swindon via Salisbury, calling at Cosham, Fareham, Southampton Central, Romsey, Salisbury, Warminster, Westbury, Trowbridge, Melksham, Chippenham and Swindon. Customers for Bournemouth, Poole, Weymouth and Bristol Temple Meads should change at Southampton Central. Platform 2 for the 12:12 Great Western Railway service to Swindon via Salisbury.
Is the 14:18 Southern service to Brighton. Calling at Fratton, Bedhampton, Havant, Warblington, Emsworth, Southbourne, Nutbourne, Bosham, Fishbourne, Chichester, Barnham, Ford, Angmering, Goring-by-Sea, Durrington-on-Sea, West Worthing, Worthing, East Worthing, Lancing, Shoreham-by-Sea, Southwick, Fishersgate, Portslade, Aldrington, Hove and Brighton. Mind the gap between the train.
Southwest train service to Weymouth, calling at Havant, Southampton Central, Brockenhurst and Bournemouth where the train will divide. Please make sure you travel in the correct part of this train. Due to short platforms, customers for New Milton should join the front 5 coaches and customers for Fareham should join the front 7 coaches. Customers for Branksome, Parkstone, Poole, Hamworthy, Wareham, Wool, Morton, Dorchester South, Upwey and Weymouth should travel in the front 5 coaches of the train. Customers for Bewley Road, Ashurst New Forest, Hinton Admiral, Lymington Town and Lymington Pier should change at Brockenhurst. A trolley service of drinks and light refreshments is available on this train. First class accommodation is available and can be found in the middle of the train. Platform 4 for the 16:37 Southwest train service to Weymouth.
14:12 Great Western Railway service to Swindon via Salisbury. Calling at Fratton, Cosham, Fareham, Southampton Central, Romsey, Salisbury, Warminster, Dilton Marsh, Westbury, Trowbridge, Melksham, Chippenham and Swindon. Due to a short platform at Dilton Marsh, customers for this station should join the front coach only. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap. 1 for the 14:12 Great Western Railway service to Swindon. Calling at Fratton, Cosham, Fareham, Southampton Central, Romsey, Salisbury, Warminster, Dilton Marsh, Westbury, Trowbridge, Melksham, Chippenham and Swindon. Due to a short platform at Dilton Marsh, customers for this station should join the front coach only. Customers for Bournemouth, Poole and Weymouth should change at Southampton Central. One for the 17:33 Southern service to Bognor Regis. Calling at Warblington, Emsworth, Southbourne, Nutbourne, Bosham, Fishbourne, Chichester, Barnham and Bognor Regis. Customers for Littlehampton should change at Barnham. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 1 for the 17:33 Southern service to Bognor Regis. The train now approaching Platform 1 is the 17:33 Southern service to Bognor Regis. This train is the service from Portsmouth Harbour.